Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and in today's video we're taking a look at smart lock technology to secure your home. Today we're taking a look at the EUFY Security Fingerprint Identification Lock. It has built-in Wi-Fi. You can use a passcode to get into your home, or you can use your fingerprint or your phone. Let's check it out. Now the EUFY Smart Lock is going to give you a lot of different choices when it comes to accessing your home. And as you can see here, it works with the Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can use your voice to open and close a door too. You also have remote app control, which means you can use your phone to get in and also open and lock your door. You can have up to 365 days of battery life. And to me, this is a game changer because most of the locks that I have in my home all have AA or AAA batteries that are just like 6 or 8 of them that are keeping the thing going. This has a battery pack that once charged is going to last you a full year. Major game changer there. IP65 waterproof rating. It basically has been tested 250,000 times, opening and closing. Has emergency function so that in the event that the battery does go bad on you, or let's say discharges, that you have a backup. You can use a key, and also there's a power plug that you can use. And then it basically also has encryption as well as the ability to have multiple fingerprints and people enrolled into the system. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now I've already installed the smart door lock in this model here, and I have to say that this is one of the easiest smart locks to install. It really only has a couple pieces. First of all, it has the front, the back, and a mounting plate. That's it. And then it has a deadbolt. All there is to it. And as we take a look at the back, we'll take a look at first at how this really is just like any other smart lock or lock for that matter. You have an open, you have a close, right? And then as we flip it over, before we do that, this is the battery compartment. We'll flip this over right here. And then in the front, what you have is your passcode area. So this is where you would type in, the actual password that you would use to log in or enter your home. You could use your fingerprint as well. And then in the event that you either forgot your passcode and maybe didn't register your finger, or maybe you ran out of power, you can actually use the key that's included, and you'll notice it's a security key, right? So this isn't just a standard key to access the door. Now unlocking your door is super simple. All you do is you take your registered finger, place it on the actual lock, and it's unlocked. Now if you do try to use the wrong finger or someone tries to access it, you'll get an error message, but more importantly, the phone that's been registered with the system is going to get an alert that there was an invalid access attempt to the lock. Now you could use a code, but what I like about it is that in the event that you have people that are watching you, you can put in a complex code that no one's going to remember. Now from an access code perspective, you can hide your access code by putting in additional digits, like I just did here. So my passcode was actually suppressed or hidden as I was typing it in because I included extra characters. So that's something that you can do as well. Now the app is really convenient and easy to use. If you want to lock a door, all you do is swipe down on this icon and it will lock the door, as you can see here. If you'd like to unlock the door, swipe down on this icon again and it unlocks just like that. Now giving someone access to your door is really simple. All you do is go into Manage Access, Add Access, type in the name of the individual, I'm going to put in Test, hit confirm, and I can determine, is this going to be always access or is it going to be scheduled access? Now the cool thing about scheduled access is that if you have, for example, a AIRBNB or VRBO and you want to control access using codes, you can actually assign someone a code temporarily for their stay. So here, for example, you have now and never, or you can tell it when to expire, right, from and to times, and then also days of the week. So this is going to give you a lot of flexibility when it comes to controlling access. Now, if you just want to have it for your home, and let's say you have family coming over on vacation, you could also give them a temporary password that then expires when they leave. Now the app also gives you information about activity. So if I go into this area here, the lock event, it's going to tell you every access attempts that have been tried, either known or unknown, on the lock. So it's a great way to just check out your log and make sure that no one's trying to tamper with your lock. Now the settings area gives you a lot of information about your lock. So here, for example, tells me my battery level, tells me the location, tells me if I have the auto lock on or off, and I have it auto lock on. It's something that I have on all my locks just in case, so I don't forget to lock the door. And then it also could be served as a schedule if you like. You have run try protection. You can scramble, which you saw me do. You can scramble the code. You also then have lock sound, notifications, which I get, lock calibration. You have internet connection, a mounting guide, and then you also have the ability to look at about the device. This is going to give you the ability to update the firmware and do things like that. So guys, that wraps up our review of the EUFY security system. Fingerprint access for your home, either passcode, finger, or phone. See you in the next one.